So hey guys, welcome to this Python tutorial part 2. In this tutorial we will learn what are variables in Python. So let us talk about variables. So variables are very important part of programming. Using variables we can store constant and or variable values throughout the program. Variables are like bucket to store the important information evaluated by any function. Variables are like this. They are like a tag to a value, and the tag is consists of the name, variable name, and the value consists of the value we have given to this variable. So now let us take what we will do in this tutorial. We will create a variable. So let's do this. In this Python file I have written a variable is equal to 2. So here we are creating that variable, and in this part we are printing this variable. So what we will do, we will comment out all this thing and run this code. When I have run this code, the output is 2 because variable is equal to 2, and when we are printing the variable it will print 2. So what is the next task? Modify it. So how to modify this variable? So how to modify this variable is this. How can we modify this variable? We can modify this variable by writing variable is equal to the modified value that we have 10, and then we will print it again. So let's run it. Now you can see the first value of the variable is 2, and now it is 10. It has modified it. So let us see what is the next task. How to delete it. So there is a command in Python which is del to delete something from the Python memory. So this is that. When we have write this del and the variable name, so it will delete this variable from Python memory, and then when we will try to print this variable, it wouldn't print this variable, and it will also indicate that this variable is not defined by this red line. So run it, and now you can see this is giving a name error called the name variable is not defined. So this is how we can delete and modify a variable. So this is something extra. There are 5 simple data types on which you should concentrate on at the beginning. First of all, string consists of character and the alpha character. Integer is a integer values of positive and negative numbers. And list consists of an array of items. So what is tuple? Tuple is an unchangeable array of items to store the value, and we cannot change these values throughout the program. And what is dictionary? Dictionary is a queue and value pairs in just like an array. It stores the key and value pairs just like a variable with a tag. And what is del command? Del command I have discussed before. Del command is used to delete any variable or object from Python memory. Thank you.